Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch.
Here we go. It's from Marlboro County. Again.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, east central Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, southeastern Marlboro County in northeastern South Carolina, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lada, or near Dillon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Florence, Marion, Dillon, Darlington, Mullins, Lada, Quinby, Lakeview, Sellers, Fork, Blue Brick, Zion, Hammer, Mars Bluff, Brownsville, south of the border, Darlington Raceway, Florence Darlington Technical College main campus, Minturn, and Oak Grove. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued